This week's tech tip of the week is the new look that Gmail will soon be getting. So right now you're looking at my Gmail account, and if you toggle up, you can try the new Pine Island Public Schools look. So they're making some changes to Gmail. It's still in beta. There's going to be some other features that are going to come along with this. But come, I suppose, next year, your Gmail look is going to change and look like this. Now, it gives you a few different things in the look. Number one, you've got a pause inbox. And number two, as you email over or you hover over an email, you can see, number one, the attachments, but it also allows you to do some things right out of these buttons. So you can archive, delete, mark as unread, or probably the biggest feature that people will use is the snooze feature. What this does is it actually allows you to resend you that email, forcing it back up to the top so that it's something where you're like, oh, I can look at this, but not till tomorrow. You can click send me that tomorrow at 8 a.m. so that email is sitting at the top of your inbox again when you get here in the morning. So give it a try. If you don't like it, you can always go back to the classic sites. And by the way, if this is not appearing for you, with your email open, hit the refresh button and then go to settings, and try the new PI Public ISD 2.5 will be there. So that's the scoop. Give it a try. Eventually all Gmail will move to that new look.